educate the heart.
Hi guys, it's Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but everything's been super crazy recently. I've been really busy with my research job and deciding what I want to do next semester. I hope all of you guys are doing well. Anyways, today we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on how I made the white Bella Hadid inspired top for my TikTok, so let's get started. I started with a thrifted white button-up that I got for about $2. Since you're cutting off the back, the fit of the sleeves and the shoulders is the most important. First, I marked how long I wanted the front to be, and then I marked the shape of the front from the center to the side seams. Here I'm using a water-soluble marker that I'll link below. Now I'm cutting the front following the lines I drew. I actually ended up cutting the center a bit longer because I realized I would cover the buttonhole when I hemmed. For the back, you want to cut along the sleeve seams and the line across the back, leaving extra so you can hem the fabric and create a clean edge. Here I'm just cutting a notch in the corner so that I'll be able to fold the edges up when I'm hemming. So this is what the front and back of your shirt should look like at this point. To hem the fabric, I folded the edges up twice to protect the raw edges and pinned it. I did this all around the front, back, and sleeves. So now that I finished pinning down all the raw edges of my top, I'm going to sew it with a simple straight stitch on my sewing machine. The hem should now all look neat like this. Now that the top is almost done, we're going to make two straps out of the back of the top that you cut off earlier. For the straps, I'm cutting two strips of fabric from the back piece. Make sure you remove any edges. My strips are about 2 inches wide and 18 inches long, but make them as long as you'd like. To make the straps look neat, I'm folding the strips into quarters with the raw edges tucked in and pinning them. Now that I have my pinned straps, I'm just going to sew them down with a straight stitch. On one end of each strap, I'm folding the edge down twice to make it neater. To sew down this part of the strap, I'm also using a straight stitch. Finally, to add the straps to the top, I pinned the straps about halfway down the front edge of the shirt and am finally sewing them with another straight stitch. This is the final product. I love the way it came out, but honestly, I love the fact that it was so cheap to make even more. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Comment below or message me if you make this top. I'm going to be more active on YouTube, so see you guys soon.